Hi, my name is Peter. I'm here with Nessa. We are from Synnefa, and today we'd come to look at the smart solar dryer.
So here we are in Iviani Farm in Makueni. This is a smart solar dryer. The smartness is a factor of using FarmShield for automation of the drying conditions. In this farm they dry mangoes, some other fruits and also vegetables, and we wanted to see what the farmer's experience is when using technology for drying.
In Iviani Farm, we are specializing on 3 value chains. That is mango drying. We are also doing fish farming and manufacture of all animal feeds. At Iviani Farm, we have been drying mangoes since 2020, where we just buy mangoes from local farmers across the country. So after we dry our mangoes, we export them and also we sell them at local markets. We dry our mangoes using 2 methods. That is, we dry them using the steam drying machine, and also we use the solar dryer. The solar dryer was constructed by Synnefa, and its benefit is that it's off-grid. So it powers everything which is in the greenhouse without use of electricity. So it's just natural. It's able to monitor everything which is happening in the greenhouse without anyone coming to monitor it. So once it monitors, it automatically sends the information, maybe like humidity, temperature, to phones automatically, so you don't need to keep on monitoring the system. Also, it switches on the fans automatically. The solar dryer switches on the fans when actually the temperatures in the greenhouse are too high, because when the temperatures are high, they could interfere with the quality of the products. So for them to maintain the products to be of good quality, maintain their taste, it just switches itself on so that we will not experience losses.
This dream or this idea is driven by the fact that 60% of mangoes in the market go to waste. So as Synnefa, we are coming in to reduce the post-harvest losses through value addition through the smart solar drying system.
The solar dryer actually maintains the taste of dried mangoes. Also, it cannot only be used to dry mangoes alone. If you are a farmer at the interior parts and you are looking a solution on how you can dry your products, you can install a solar dryer, because it will help you dry variety of substances, not only fruits, also herbs, vegetables, and many more others.
So the mangoes are very delicious. If you've not tasted them, I'd highly recommend you visit Iviani and get yourself some mango flakes for you to enjoy.
I would like to thank Synnefa for the installation of the solar dryer. They have not only installed, they have incorporated it with the FarmShield at the farm cloud, which makes monitoring easy. You are able to trace what's happening in the solar dryer.